If your range plummets or you see a turtle icon, pull over immediately. Hazards on, get off the road. Grab your phone. Use your EV's app, Tesla Roadside, Ford Pass, Blue Link, to call help or diagnose if it's just a 12-volt battery fail. Never use a normal tow truck. Demand a flatbed. Hook tows can destroy your EV's motors. Game changer. Mobile charging vans like SparkCharge. They'll give you 25+ miles in minutes. Find them via PlugShare. Your survival kit, 12-volt Jumpstarter, reflectors, power bank, and an EV-safe cord. This kit saves lives / range anxiety. Use a better route planner, ABRP, keep battery above 20%, and coast using region braking. Remember, jump 12-volt batteries, use flatbeds, never drive to 0%. Don't use cheap extension cords. You've got this. Subscribe for more EV rescue tactics. For more details, you can join our Telegram channel and visit our website on evrescuehub.com. Link is available in description box. Drop your dead battery stories below. Next video, we test portable EV chargers. See you then.